Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I upload DIYs and interior design content. My name is Ashley.
And I'm Joanna.
And this is interior.break. Alright guys, so welcome to Upgrade Your Rental episode 2. So in this episode, we're going to be actually showing you our own space. As you guys know, we just moved. We're going to be showing you guys basically how we're going to be decorating our space. So the first space we're going to actually start with is our kitchen. And this is going to be a two-part video. Part 1 will be our dining room, which is this episode, and part 2 will be the actual kitchen.
When we moved here, one of our biggest issues was the kitchen. There's quite a bit of cupboard space, but definitely not as much as our last place. We had the whole pantry and a big kitchen. And so our challenge was to make this living space just as comfortable and extra stylish.
Basically, we actually initially were going to build ourselves a console table with plenty of storage, but we just moved. Joanna works like 3 jobs. I was working 2 jobs at the time, and you know, I'm in school, so we had absolutely no time to build this console table, and we needed it like right away. So basically, we just decided to go to IKEA and buy our console table from there. So we went ahead and we just picked out this console table. We originally bought feet for them, but it was too low, and I didn't want the console table low. And I also, yeah, it was a hell's no. And I also didn't want to put more holes into the wall. Like, we're trying to put as minimum holes in the wall as possible. So in our previous place, our old console table in the kitchen, in the living room, we actually used those legs, which you're going to see further more into the video, for this console table. IKEA should put how long it should take to build.
Right? Make sure you're putting enough pressure and it's not hurt, because you're gonna strip it.
Oh, I think I did strip it.
To make these shelves, I made like a frame that goes on the wall first, and I think I just used 1x3s and 2x4s. It's kind of just scrap wood that I had downstairs. Okay, I used like a pocket jig, or a Craig jig, you can call it. Did I film this part?
I think we have a little bit of it filmed, and then some of it is not filmed. So we'll try to put as much as possible in there. But if you guys want a full tutorial, like, we can make a whole separate video on it.
Yeah, that's my fault. I'm not super good at filming everything.
Yeah.
I'll get better at. But basically, I put those pocket holes in. The frame ends up being like one long board with a bunch of boards sticking onto it, and then that goes onto the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's really convenient because when you're looking for studs on the wall, it's not like it has to be in this specific spot. You just mark your studs, put your level on top, and then just drill into that frame. You know when the screw hits the stud because it doesn't just spin in the wall. It snugs into the wall. that frame is up, as you can see in the video ahead, I just brad nailed plywood onto that frame. And then to finish it, you just use like a nail set, put any nails that are sticking out inside, and then just sand it and put a wood filler on.
Yeah. It's really actually simple.
Very easy.
Yeah, and it didn't take you a really long time to get done. So,
quick.
And they look so beautiful, and we ended up keeping it, actually it's natural wood instead of painting it. Like, I was thinking of painting it black or painting it white, but I felt like it was just going to be too much of a contrast between white and black, and I really love the way that it looks. It's going to give it such a styling moment. I can switch it up all the freaking time. It doesn't have to be standard, and if I need more storage, it is a perfect place for me to store more items. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial, like actually want an in-depth tutorial, please comment down below, or you can message Joanna at Build with Jo, and I'm pretty sure she'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Ugly ass blinds.
Not a fan of blinds.
I really hate blinds. Like, there's only specific blinds I would allow in a space, but if it's up to me, I will never have blinds in the house. And then the first thing I saw when we moved into this place were these ugly ass blinds. I was so excited to get rid of them, to the point where I was ready to do it all by myself without Joanna's help. So basically we're gonna get rid of these blinds, and we're gonna add some glowy, light, white blinds.
As far as blinds go, they're actually nice.
Another thing I want to point out is that you guys are going to see this area rug. I know that this area rug is small. It's all about scale and proportion, and this is not the right scale and proportion, but like I said, this is what we had. And
so get over it.
Yeah. Now for our kitchen table and our chairs. So for the kitchen table, I went with a circle table because there was already a lot of squared shapes and rectangular shapes happening. I wanted to break that out and bring a round table. I also find that when you have a round table in a tighter space, it helps keeps the flow going around your kitchen or your living room. Then for the chairs.
And where did we get the table?
Oh yeah, so we got the table actually on Facebook by itself. For how much? I think it was 20
It was 20 bucks, yeah.
Yeah. I was really happy about that because I was looking all over for a table, and I was not trying to buy a brand new table, and I was not trying to spend a shitload of money, especially since we put a lot of our budget towards the console table and
all of the budget
on the console table
more
and
than
the chairs. All right, so the last step for this makeover, I went ahead to Home Depot and I got this LED puck light for about like 20 bucks. It's battery operated and it comes with a remote. And now this makeover is officially over.
for watching this video. We had such a good time upgrading our rental, our kitchen. And if you don't know the deal, it's like, comment, and subscribe.
I hope you guys like this video. Like she said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at interior.break and follow Joanna at
Build with Joe.
And we'll see you guys in our next video.
Can I do the wig with you?